Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena, and this is our unboxing and hands-on video of the Google Pixel 3a XL. It was announced last week at Google I/O, and this is available right now at $479. Obviously, there's some subtle differences between this and the standard $400 model, which is the Google Pixel 3a. Obviously, the size difference, the price point, but I'll talk more about that. Now, this is the packaging, kind of very similar to the Pixel line. As far as the specs go, this is pretty much the same as the Pixel 3a. The difference here with the XL is that you get a larger screen. It's a 6-inch AMOLED screen, but what's interesting is the resolution for the display is actually lower than the standard Pixel 3a, so the pixel density is not as high. But besides that, it's powered by the same Snapdragon 670 processor. You have 4 GB of RAM, there's 64 GB of internal storage. The cameras are the same in the back. There's a single 12 megapixel camera with night sight. The front-facing camera is an 8 megapixel f2.0. Obviously, the Pixel 3a XL is larger in terms of the size, so you do get a higher capacity 3700 milliamp hour battery. But besides that, it should be pretty much identical to the 3a. So let's open this up here. So first thing, there we go. Here is the phone. Looks like we got the back here and the front. There we go. And I said this is a polycarbonate construction, so you don't have the glass. Honestly though, to me, this is still a great looking phone for the price point. The polycarbonate here looks really nice. You have almost like a matte finish here in the back. There are some elements that are a little bit more glossy, good contrast. So let me turn this guy on here. So I'm gonna let that load up. In the meantime, let's see what else we got here. So in the packaging, you have your SIM tool ejector, your quick user guide, some decals, and just some more health information. It also comes with a USB Type-C adapter to standard USB. Let me show you this here. So you have that. If you want to connect a USB device for expandable storage, yes, you could do that with this, because again, there is no micro SD card slot with the Pixel 3a XL or the 3a. Here is the USB Type-C cable. And the last thing in the packaging is, of course, the charger, wall charger, one end USB Type-C. Okay, there you go. It's all set up pretty quickly here. It's running Android 9 Pie. Of course, it's going to get Android Q once the update is made available, just like the Pixels. The benefit of this here, the 3a XL, is that you're going to get the updates a lot faster than most phones because it is the stock Android experience. So just a little bit more about the phone. There is no water resistant rating with the construction, but you do have a headphone jack, which I'm a fan of. You have your USB Type-C port at the bottom here, and on the back you have also your fingerprint sensor. There is no wireless charging here, so you gotta just stick with the wired connection. But hey, honestly, for the price point, $479 for the 3a XL or $400 for the standard 3a. That's some incredible value. Now, as far as design goes, I've seen phones in this price range to look a little bit better, more premium materials. This, of course, has polycarbonate as the frame here. It works for this phone. Of course, the price point and being in that Pixel line definitely helps. And the great thing too is just the camera. We've seen from the presser that the camera is pretty much identical to the regular Pixel line with a single camera, and it's going to be able to deliver some incredible results with AI and all the software optimizations. So you'll have all the portrait effects and even some great low light performances. So it's going to be interesting to see how the Pixel 3a series is going to shake up the industry at the moment. So this phone is available right now along with the Pixel 3a. Again, the 3a starts at $400, incredible value there, while the Pixel 3a XL starts at $479. Stock Android experience, same camera as the regular Pixel line. So that combination alone should make an impressive offering. And that is it, guys. If you want to learn more about the Google Pixel 3a XL, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.